Hello students, I am Swati Kedar, and in today's C# session we are going to see the one more C# simple practice program, that is write this C# program to display whether the given number is even or odd. And this program we are going to see in execution in both the way. One is in Visual Studio 2017 and another way we type in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt 2017. First we going to see the in first way in Visual Studio. For that we have to open the Visual Studio, and for creating the project or a file you have to go File, New, click on Project, choose Visual C# and click console app.NET framework, because this is the console app program, console based, so we choose the console app.NET framework and give here your project name or a file name. I give here even odd number or even odd num, and you have to give here location for your file. For that you have to go to click on browse, go to D drive and create here your new folder with any name. I have already created here one folder C# program, so I choose that folder and click on select folder and click on OK. After the clicking on OK, the file will be open, C# file will be open, program file will be open, and you see this program lines comes by default. You do not change in this coding. So let's start with the coding. I have already here created one file for even odd number. Already type here, so go through the program for coding. In first line, using system colon, this is the namespace. It contains classes, methods, attributes, data types. And in second, using system.collection.generic, this contains the garbage collection data. After that, using system.link, it links one file to another file. Using system.text, it contains the text. And using system.threading.task, this will use in threading program. This is not necessary in this program, so you can remove this file or keep it as it is. After that, namespace if odd. You already know what is the namespace. Varsha ma'am told you in a theory. Under this namespace if odd, we creating the class, methods, coding of a program under this namespace. After that, class even, you can change here name of a class, give any name for a class. I given here even class. Under the class we created the main method, static void main string args. This is the main method, and program start execution from this line, this method. Under the method we are created here coding or int num. Num is the variable of a type integer. Int num is used for we going to read the value, one number or a value for the it shows the that number is even or odd. After that, console.writeLine, in bracket enter the number. This line prints this message or this text on the console. After that, enter the number. After that, num is equal to int.parse console.readLine. After we printing the message enter the number, we have to enter the number on the console, and we have to read that input value and store in one variable or one variable. For that we use here num is equal to int.parse in bracket console.readline. Console.readline, it simply reads the input from the console, arrow value from the console, and it converted into integer and store in num. In C# by default we entered in a value, some value on a console that considered as a string. That value is considered as string, so we here converted into integer and stored in num. After that we have to check that number is even or odd. For that we use here if condition. In if condition, if in bracket num mod 2 is equal to 0, if that entered number is mod 2 is equal to 0, if this condition is true, then this line will be executed. Console.writeLine, in bracket number is even. This 0 means we passed here argument. For this we use this 0. If our argument is more than this one argument, if I number and we have here more variables, so we can give here 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. If this condition is true, this line will be executed. If this condition is false, then it comes to else part and execute this line. Console.writeLine, number is an odd. Number is odd. This is the coding of the program, and after that we have to close all the brackets without missing any bracket. This is the coding of a program. After the coding of the program, you have to save, and for execution you have to go click on start the console. After the clicking on start, console will be open and it show you enter the number. Here you have to enter any number. I entered here 6 and enter. Number is even number. Number 6 is even number. Even number. For a tracing, I have traced here program. This is our main program. If num mod 2 is equal to 0, it prints number is even, else number is odd. If I entered the 6th number, I have entered here 6, so is even number. So how it will become? If 6 mod 2 is equal to 0, if 6 mod 2, that remainder is 0. See here, I have shown here 6 mod 2 is remainder is 0, and this remainder is 0, then it prints number 6 as is even number. If I entered 9, if 9 mod 2 is equal to 0, is the 9 mod 2 is remainder is 0. I shown here 9 mod 2, the remainder is 1. So it condition will be false and it goes to else part, and it simply prints console.line simply prints number 9 is an odd number. Output is number 9 is an odd number. This is the execution of in Visual Studio. This is the execution of even odd number in Visual Studio. We see the in second way execution, that is in Notepad. First we have to open the Notepad and copy this program. Copy from Visual Studio. You can type the program and paste it here, and for saving you have to go file, save, go to D drive and choose your folder, go to your folder and give your file name. I give your file name even odd number .cs. You do not forward this extension .cs for a C# files, and click on save. That file will be saved. For execution you have to go developer command prompt, go to start, type here developer command prompt, choose this command prompt, the command prompt will be open. And now see here, this by default in C drive, so we have to go the for we stored our file or save in D drive, so we have to go in D drive. For that you have to type D colon enter, we are in D drive, and after that we have to give here our folder path cd C# program and enter. Now we are in our folder in D drive, in our folder C# program. After that you have to compile your program. For compiling in C# you have to type here csc your file name even odd number dot cs file extension. For compiling you have to give csc even odd number dot cs and enter. No error here. And after the compilation we have to go for execution. For execution you have to give here only file name without extension even odd number. Without extension you have to give here file name and enter. Here it will be showing enter the number, so I entered here 6, enter, number is even. After that we have for one more execution, enter the number. I have typed here 9, number 9 is odd number, and this is the execution of even odd number in both the way, in Visual Studio and on developer command prompt.